Hello team, so this is your hostel management solution which I'm going to show you. Here you can check total tenant, rooms, beds, unpaid invoice, balance amount, total paid amount, February income or February expenses. Then here you can check your tenants. Here you can add view, edit, delete, or you can assign a room to any tenant. You can select a room, base price, total price, lease form, lease from to, or here we set up tax paid and what is the left balance is there to set up. Okay, so these are tenant data which you can check, like gender, branch, contact and other data. And if you want to create new tenant, then you just need to add some data or tenant will be added. Then we have a rooms data. You can check, you can edit here, you can view as well. You can check it's empty or somebody already relocated. Then we have new rooms. Then we have a beds. Then we have some extra services like lighting, food and other services was there, so you can set up your own services. Then we have accounting, so here you can check, like if somebody paid you, then you can generate invoices, select the tenant, select the invoice, base price, and then you can set up. And view payment, add payment, expenses you can manage. Then we have reports, so here you can manage your income reports. You can filterize as well, so just select from to date, then you can manage that. Then we have expense reports, then we have a notice, all types of requests will come here. So if any tenant request for any bed, so that data will come here. Then you can set up multiple branches, you can print, you can add record multiple branch, you can add and delete. These are some features. Then you can set up your expense category, complaint category, and then email template. So then we have a website pages. So here if you want to update something, then you can change your data on front end like blog, gallery, so you can set up, you can change. Then we have a users data, you can check that user data here, you can import, you can add user here. So user email, name, user type, user branch, and you can add. Then we have some configurations. So here you can like currency, symbol, you can set up your SMTP for if anyone book anything, then they will get email by SMTP. Then these are payment gateway which we are using. You just need to add your key, then it will be work for you. Then tax settings, you can set up your own tax setting. Invoice settings, invoice tenant start ID, room start ID and all, you can manage that. Then we have a complaint. So if you are facing any complaint, then you can raise your complaint, so team will check and update that complaint. So you can your tenant can easily manage complaint as well. So if you have any query doubts, then you can contact with us, so we will help you with that. Thank you.